Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I want to share with you a quick video update about the Envato Elements Flash Sale, because you can get only today, if you act right now, a 40% off for Envato Elements subscription. And this is not just for the first month, as other coupons and other discounts are. This is for your entire subscription period. So you have 14 hours left from now to go ahead and click the link from this video description and subscribe to Envato Elements, because you will get a 40 discount off from the monthly and also the yearly subscription. So if you have a monthly subscription active, instead of 29 euros, you will get 17 euros. And if you have in dollars, the 40% discount will be applied also for you. And the great news is that this sale is also applied for the yearly plan, and you will be able to get only for 12 euros per month the yearly plan, which is really cheap. So as you can see, you will have also a 7-day trial period when you will not pay anything, and after 7 days you will pay the 17 euros per month. And if you are billed in dollars, this is in dollars for you. Okay, so this is all for today. Go ahead guys and click the link from this video description. Only 14 hours left, and go ahead and profit from this flash sale. This is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.